Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I want to show you a neat idea. So if you've been to our website, you've probably seen a bunch of different projects on here, like the food catcher game, but I want to show you a project that kind of has a similar idea, but is a little bit different. All right, so the project we're going to take a look at is called Scratchy Surf, and it is by Intro Maker. If we press the green flag, it allows us to actually make it so that instead of just falling down like in Food Catcher, if I move it to the right, it makes it so that the stuff comes in like you're surfing to the right, and then you can move it to the left, and it looks like you're surfing to the left. So you can collect the tacos, but you can actually make them move side to side. So you'll notice that the surfboard is actually not moving at all. It's just rotating, so staying in the same location, the same position, but it's rotating, and all of the other sprites are actually moving to make it look like you are surfing. So I thought that was a really neat idea. That's kind of like the Food Catcher game. If you want to make a project like this, make sure you check out the link in the description, and make sure you check out the original project, Scratchy Surf, so that way you can give them a heart and a favorite. Hope you all have a great rest of your day, and please comment below if you got a project you want us to take a look at. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.